Hi. So I've in the custom program task, I've tried to create a game called which is commonly known as Rock Paper Scissors. And in this, I first included the splash kit and the seed time for choosing the random number. And then I've created function for reading the string input and for reading the integer input from the user. And then I've uploaded the resources like the bitmaps of the rock image, of the scissor image, and the paper image. And then I've created an enum of named object which stores the constants rock, paper, scissor, and finish, whether the user want to finish or not. And then I've created a function of the enum object that that takes the input from the user, which option he wants to play, like rock, paper, scissors, or he wants to quit or not. And this function takes the value in integer and returns it in the by converting it into the subcategory of the enum object. And then I've created a function game area in which I have implemented a do while loop, and I have made a variable which is a random, which every time a user wants to play is assigned a random number, and this random number is then used in the switch case mechanism. So whenever the uh, the the player chooses rock and the random number of the computer comes out to be rock, it becomes a tie. And whenever he chooses rock and the computer chooses paper, the computer wins, and so on. I've created all these functions, all these if conditions, are taking into account the rules of the game. And then I have in the while condition, I have implemented the option not equal to finish. If the option is equal to finish, then the body terminates. And in the main function, I have loaded the resources and created a new window and implemented the game area. Thank you.